how to book cab in Uber app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can book a cab in Uber app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to book a cab on the Uber app, all you have to do is to simply go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch Uber over here. Once you launch Uber, you can see it'll ask you for rides. Now what you can do is you can directly enter a pickup location that you want. So just tap on the enter pickup location. You can just take a tour or maybe just enable a current location to be able to view it. In this case, I'll just go ahead and search for a custom pickup location in this case. Once I go ahead and enter my pickup location, I can just select that as my pickup location. And of course, I have to select my drop-off location as well, which I can just go ahead and select them respectively. Once I select the pickup and drop-off location, over here you'll be able to see all of the cabs that are available. You can fly black, or you can see Uber XL, Uber Green, Uber X Share, Comfort, or Uber Pet, Black SUV, or whatever else you prefer over here. You can just go ahead and then choose them accordingly. Once you go ahead and choose either of these rides, you can just select the cab and then your payment will be confirmed. Then the Uber rider is going to get in touch with you. This way you can actually book a cab in Uber. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.